Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at probably the best phone of 2022. This is the Pixel 6 and we have the stormy black color 128GB version. I've been waiting to do this phone for a long time. Now that I got the chance, let's take a look. Here we have the device. Inside of the box we have one Type-C cable, which is Type-C on both sides. We have a Type-C dongle, USB Type-C dongle, and a small book with SIM ejection tool here. Okay, so this is the phone. Very nice feeling. I'm recording this video with the Pixel 5a. So I'm Team Pixel all the way. This is the cameras of the phone. Here we have the flashlight. On the top we have a microphone. On the left side we have the SIM tray. On the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button. Let's remove the sticker. See if we have any juice here on the phone. Okay, so now the device is powered up. Okay, so while the phone is turning on, let me read you the specifications real quick. We have a Super AMOLED display, 90Hz, HDR 10+. In this phone, Google comes with its own chip. It has Google Tensor 5 nanometers, and this phone has two versions, one with 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and the other one has 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage. We have dual cameras here on the back, with the main sensor being 50 megapixels and the secondary camera, ultra wide camera, is 12 megapixels. This phone can record up to 4K with 60 frames per second, and the selfie camera is 8 megapixels, which can record up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. And yes, this phone has stereo speakers. The battery on this phone is 4614 milliamperes, and it can support up to 30 watts of fast charging. The wireless charging on this phone goes up to 21 watts. Also, this phone supports a reverse wireless charging. The price of this phone is $600, and for $600 this might be the best deal that you might get for 2022. Of course, it's the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE or S22, but I like the Pixel better. Let me just skip through this menu real quick. Okay, so we are on the menu now. 90Hz display, feels very smooth. And as we can see, this phone started its life at Android 12, and being a Pixel phone, I believe that this phone will receive like 4 years of updates, probably 5 years. Okay, so first impressions of this phone are great. This is the best phone for me right now. Okay, the camera bump here, it's a little off, you might not like that, but it's not a problem for me. So this was just a quick unboxing video because I know that you've seen a lot of videos about Pixel 6, and I just wanted to make this quick video because I got the phone and I wanted to show you that I got the phone. And with that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.